Super glue, duct tape, and glue guns either fail or can't do the job. Bondic does things glue cannot. Get it done right the first time with Bondic. Bondic uses a patented liquid plastic to bond virtually anything together in seconds. Fix broken items. Fill in dents and cracks. Seal, insulate, and create. Use Bondic on nearly any surface or material. 50 times stronger than glue. Waterproof and heat resistant. Kiss sticky fingers goodbye. Bondic won't dry or harden until you've exposed it to a special UV light, giving you more control and less mess. Plus, Bondic is 100% safe and non-toxic. Unlike glue, Bondic can also be sanded, polished, or painted for a professional finish. Whether it's a big fix, little nicks, or a detailed hobby that can withstand up to 350 pounds of weight, Bondic has you covered. Every Bondic comes with a UV hardening light and liquid refill tube capable of dozens of fixes. Bondic has helped over 1 million happy customers.
It'll work on any of these materials: wood, the plastic of the sunglasses, glass, metal. It'll work on anything. If you need an all-in-one fix, I highly recommend Bondic.
Stuff breaks. Fix virtually anything with Bondic. Order your Bondic today.